welcome to Rani's Art and Craft. In today's video I am going to show you that how can you make pencil case or pencil box. So first take any toothpaste box, okay, old empty box. Then take scissors and cut out from the middle just 3 sides, don't cut the 4th side, okay. And homemade scissors also link in description. You can see I have just cut out 3 sides, because if you cut 4 sides it will be a problem, okay. So then you need to take cello tape, and at the top you have opening, so that you have to close it with cello tape, okay. You can use glue too. And now you need to take white color, any color sheet, and cover the box. So I have made this video a little bit fast, guys, because it was 22 minutes video. I can't say it's a 22 minutes video, okay. That's why I've done it. If you are having any problem for understanding any place or anything, you can just comment me and ask it, okay. Yeah, so what I was saying is homemade color paper link in description, okay. So let us continue, but till then you like this video, share with your friends and your families, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, comment on your suggestions or anything about this video. Follow my sister on Star Maker, the links are given in the description box. And also guys, I've created some playlists. If you haven't seen them, you can check them out in the description box, okay. So for this video, guys, pencil case video or pencil box video, one of my friend, my bestie, that's Anu Chatterjee, she has she is using her mother's account for YouTube, okay. So she has asked for making this 2 times, so it's very requested. And you know, in one day I made 2 videos. Once the lemonade shop, that was my previous video, haven't checked out, you can check it out, the link is in the description box. And this video, I made lemonade shop video, I may shoot in the morning, and this I shoot in the afternoon, okay. So because I love to do your challenges, because that's why if you don't if you don't want to see me sad, then just keep giving me challenges. I can make them in one day also if I have time, because you know I made 2 challenges as I told you, okay. So I shoot also 2 videos, and I edit also 2 videos today. It's so happy, I mean it's a happy thing for me. So just comment challenges, whatever you want, whatever, okay, whatever. Yeah, so whatever challenges you are having, comment me now. I will surely make them, okay. I will surely make challenges and upload them one by one. So comment what the challenges are. And yes, after 1000 subscribers I will be doing my face reveal video, and after 1 lakh subscribers I will be doing QandA part with face reveal. If you haven't seen QandA part 1, you can check out the link in the description box. And also after 1 million subscribers I will be doing how I edit my videos. As I was telling that if you haven't seen my playlist, you can check them out, the links are given in the description box, okay. So now what I'll do, let us keep doing these things, that means let me do the thing that I am doing now, okay. You see the video, continue watching it. And sorry for the blur part, it will be okay soon, okay. You just keep watching it, it will be okay soon. You just need to skip little bit of this video, and then you can see that it has got clean, okay. And happy Independence Day to all of you. And my regular viewers who mainly comments me, I want to say their name. One is Madhumita Chatterjee, and another is Shipra Chatterjee. There many more are there. So if you want to be my regular viewer, you just need to comment and like and subscribe my channel and see my videos regularly, and you see that the video has gone okay. Now it's not blur, okay. So guys, I had made a bread, means cartoon bread drawing before in a drawing book, home drawing book. Okay, so that one eyes I have made, that one I've made some 2 eyes. Okay, so that 2 eyes only I'm cutting out now and sticking them in the box. Okay, and then you can decorate in the other way also. Let's do what we need to, means let's see what we need to do next. Okay, so now I will take my pen and draw a smiley face, because I use a pen, because I will use a sketch pen now, because after that I have to do some other things also, then I will use a sketch pen. Okay, so continue watching it for seeing what I need to do. And I have made a YouTube symbol. Okay, so there is like a triangle type. Okay, so I will cut the triangle and stick as a like a video. You can say play a video. Okay, that I'm gonna stick also, and then I will color it also. So for sticking guys, I will be using glue and homemade glue, link in description. Okay guys, so now I will take sketch pen of blue color and I will color it. Okay, so you can see that I'm doing it. Okay, so then I took blue, red, pink and purple color your thing, a sketch pen, and I made dots. And now you could see I have made the smiley face with blue. Okay, so it's nice. And then for locking it also you have to make something. Okay, so in that one also I will do a smiley. So if you open it also, we can see the smiley blue color, and we close it also, we can see the smiley of red color. So what we are waiting for? Let's do. Okay guys, so for making the lock, I took a waste sheet, and I took my scissors and cut out a strip, because I know that my father told me that we should not waste a small piece of paper too. So now in the below portion I will stick the piece of paper with the help of sellotape, and the top I will take a sellotape, and I will take 2 pieces of sellotape and stick them together. Okay, like one will be a little bigger and one will be little smaller than the other. Okay, in that we have to we have to stick the both pieces of sellotape, and then we have to stick the big one. Don't need to open. Okay, you have to stick the big one in 2 sides in the front of your pencil case at the top portion where I have drawn the eyes. Then you could easily put your lock the strip inside, and it will not open also, and your sellotape will also not get stick. Okay, so how is the idea? Okay, so then I will do some other things also. So let's see what we need to do. Okay guys, so now I need to make a double-sided tape. Okay, because I have made it now, because I don't have double-sided tape and we need it. So if you have double-sided tape, you can also use it, and you can buy it also. Okay, So I thought that I will make it at home also. Now I made it in 1 second, guys, because if you don't make double-sided tape, how will you lock your strip, means your pencil case. So now in the middle of the eyes I will stick the double-sided tape, and there I will stick my your thing strip. Okay, then I can lock my pencil case. And I took my red sketch pen and draw the smiley face. Okay, so now it's time to stick our double-sided tape. So let's do it. So guys, our pencil case or pencil box is ready, and it's not looking too much of beautiful, but it's nice also. So I will just get rid of the strip. Yeah, yes, it's done. Okay, so it's now fully ready. Let's see it works or not. So I think there are something inside. What are there? Let's open. 1, 2, and 3. Woo! Yes, I've opened it, and there are markers. What are things? Yes, the color pencils and all those things. So I can open it also, keep things in that also, close it also. So you can see guys, it's working. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow my sister on Star Maker. You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel. But no problem, you can check them now. These 2 videos. Go check now. Bye.